when we relocated the practice and we got the first year of the maintenance and we started doing it, I was like, this is phenomenal, and how have we never done this before? Just having someone to call and knowing that, I think that preventative maintenance in most practices probably isn't happening. Do you know what, like, no one's probably doing it quite that way, because often I don't think your staff is trained adequately to investigate potential problems with your equipment. I think it's just an absolute no-brainer. It's up there in the money well spent. You know, even just finding the individual to spend the time on the phone with someone trying to troubleshoot or figure out where to send something or how to get it fixed. We don't have to worry about that. We have one number we call, and then the wheels start turning and things get dealt with. We're almost never down anything, because I feel like our Patterson team has just kind of always come through for us. So we can just keep doing what we do.